Hey babes, welcome to the Happiness Heals channel. My name is Miss T. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back friends. Today I'm doing a long-awaited weekly planning in my Live Rich planner. I'm going to be planning for the week of October the 12th through the 18th. And I'm going to be creating a spread that basically tries to capture all the things I would like to get done this week. Let's get started. I'm going to be using these date dots that were left over from one of my daily duo kits from Planner Kate. I love the fact that I can reuse the date dots for my other planning projects, and I can always mix and match them up with the different themes that I'm using. Now I'm going to add my days of the week, which are also left over from one of my Planner Kate sheets. Okay. Now that I have my days of the week in place, I'm going to start laying out my week. And the first thing I want to note is that on Monday, it's actually a holiday, so I will be off work that day. So let me find a box to capture that. And the first thing I want to note actually before moving forward are that I'm going to be primarily using the Wrong stickers from the Happy Planner. I've had these for a while. That launch was quite a ways back, but I love that there's a seasonal collection and they have a great fall spread. So I have the mini as well as the regular version. I'm going to be pulling from both of these as well as other stickers in my collection to fill up the spread. But this is going to be what I use. These two books are what I'm going to be using to create my overall decor and visual aesthetic for the page. And just block off some times when I plan to get some things done. So let me start off by labeling in my Monday, and then I'll start carrying out the rest of my week as well. even though my arrow, I must admit, looks like it's saying that the planner zoom goes into that time, it's really just for my aesthetic. I know at least that it's really for my cleaning time. Now I can move further down to my filming and editing. So I'm going to move these out of the way. That is my plan for Monday. Okay, now we're going to work on the rest of the week. I do have to work Tuesday through Friday, so I'm going to draw some lines to show my work hours, which are 10 to 6 right now. These stickers here, which I can use for work. These are from the Mama Gloria sticker shop. I also am supposed to be meeting up with a girlfriend on Saturday. Also, we're supposed to go apple picking that day as well. So that is meditation time every day. I'm going to use these walk the dog stickers that I have from Planner Kate. On Sundays, actually, I won't do a walk the dog because I want to go to the park, actually. We'll say from 1 to 3. So I've added another sticker here at the top and also an icon to make sure I change the sheets on Thursday as a reminder. I've got my walk the dog stickers in, park time with my dog. I want to do some filming. Get my slicer. I love this thing. If you don't have one, I would definitely say to check them out on Amazon. This is so much better than scissors and more accurate. Let me start filling in some things to see what I have left. I love that. Very, very cute. I also feel like I could use something there. So I love that. All of my icons are in place. I have a space to even write in something that I'm grateful for this week. The last but not least are my evenings. I like to try to plan out what I want to do for those. That will bring me up to speed for all of my planner classes and activities for this week. I've been really trying to bump up my planning activities. And I think that is everything. Oh, I just wanted to see if I could find a weekend vibes or week banner for that day. I'm going to go back and just fill in some lines to show my work days continuing. I think it's all filled in perfectly. Covers everything I want to get done this week. I'll go back and fill in my grateful for at the end of the week, which is great. Things that I want to film this week. I normally don't do a whole lot with this section over here. I actually do try to track if I have workouts and things like that. So that is my planner spread for this week. I hope it was a bit inspirational. I hope you're not overwhelmed by how many stickers I use on my page. That is truly just my aesthetic, and it feels good to be back in my Live Rich planner. It's been several weeks since I've been able to really sit down and plan, and I really do like the way that this turned out with the Wrong Wrong stickers. If you were inspired by it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you'll be informed the very next time we have something to share on the Happiness Heals channel. Ciao!